Hey guys, welcome back to Robostout, and we are now on part 2. That's right, part 2. So if you watched my last video about my Halloween candy delivery system, 3, 2, 1. That Trisha and myself decided together to not use this year. Hey, thank you for watching that. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a candy chute, real simple candy chute, or what I'm gonna use this year to make sure that I can still play it safe and have a great time, but also make sure the kids are safe out there too. No COVID getting on anything. So let's roll it. So first and foremost, biggest thing is went to the store, go to the plumbing section there, and want to make sure I got at least, trying to go for about 6 or 7 foot PVC pipe as big as I can get. So I have plenty of room to slide candy down the chute there. Now, what I wanted to do next is I want to make sure it's level, so I have it all level there. I put some wood leveling pieces to stand it up nice and high and make sure it has the right angle for making sure the candy can slide down the chute itself. Wanted to make sure it was really cool, so I made sure I painted everything, made sure it was all black. Have to wait a little bit while to add anything more to it, but I painted the legs on it, made sure you don't see the wood grain, make it nice and dark because it's going to be scary at night. Decided to attach a fog machine at the top there, a small fog machine that I got from the store. It was on sale. And then I also shoved some LED lights down the center, so when the fog goes through, it kind of shines the light in there. It looks really cool. And then here is my finished product. That's right. Nice and simple, easy, slides down. No children will get hurt. That is the request by my wife, to make sure that no kids get hurt. It makes it nice and simple. I just want to make sure I had something really cool for the kids out there. I saw tons of different people doing this year, and I wanted to make my own, and I thought this was a pretty great idea. So this is what I did, and you can decorate it any way you want. You can add some of the colored duct tape like I did, or no fog machine, whatever you want, make it yourself. Just make sure it's at least 6 feet apart from the child there, and you're good to go. The only thing I got to work on is how to get the doorbell to ring, right? How am I going to get this doorbell to ring? They're far away from there, so I might just have to kick it outside and wait for the kids to come up, and then just throw the candy down there, maybe give them a little scare. So hey guys, I want to make sure you're safe this Halloween, so play it safe. Make sure that you mask up as best you guys can. Stay social distancing. Keep those kiddos happy and safe. And always check out some great videos I have. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the little buzzer there so anytime you get a new video, it lets you know from me. And like always, I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace.